If you're a small YouTuber getting low views, you've probably said this before. The algorithm isn't pushing my videos. But the truth is, the algorithm might not be the problem. Blaming the algorithm is very common for small creators. You upload a video, it gets a few impressions, maybe 5 or 10 views, and it feels like the system just ignored you. But most of the time, the platform is actually testing your video first. The real question is, what happens during that test? Platforms like YouTube don't decide success randomly. They mainly look at 3 things. Do people click your video? Do they keep watching? And do they interact with it? If people don't click, the video stops spreading. If people leave quickly, the video slows down. That's not punishment, it's feedback. Most small creators focus on the wrong things. They focus on tags, SEO tricks, or the upload time. But the biggest impact usually comes from the idea, the title, and the thumbnail. If those 3 things are strong, your video gets a real chance. I've made this mistake too. It's easy to think the system is working against you, but once you start improving the packaging of your videos, you realize something important. The algorithm doesn't block small creators. It just reacts to how viewers behave. So instead of blaming the algorithm, start asking a different question. Would I click my own video? That question alone can change how you create. And if you're a small creator trying to figure things out, you're not alone. I'm building and learning step by step too. So please subscribe so we grow together.